Greetings, my friends. My name is Edmund Calamy. I was a minister of the gospel in the 17th century, had a prolific writing and publishing ministry throughout England, and was a member of that esteemed body, the Westminster Assembly. I speak to you today to promote an often neglected part of the Christian walk, especially in your own day. It is the doctrine and practice of godly meditation. In considering this doctrine, I wrote a work that was very popular in my day, titled The Art of Divine Meditation. If I were to ask you, what does it mean to meditate, how would you answer? Most people in your day consider meditation linked to Hinduism, or some kind of New Age enlightenment, both of which are works of the devil. Godly meditation is not an emptying of the mind, but a filling of it, with scriptural thoughts. In this work on godly meditation, I show you that meditation on holy and heavenly things is a work that is not only profitable for you, but that God requires you to do it. As Christ requires Christians to pray, read Scripture, and study in their personal devotions, so also does he require them to meditate in a most godly manner. God requires them to hear sermons, and still requires them to meditate on the sermons they hear. What good is learning anything without chewing on it and thinking about it? For lack of this, many sermons and godly teachings slip from the mind as if one never heard a thing. And I would venture to say that there are few Christians who believe this doctrine, and it is all but lost in your day. According to Scripture, divine meditation is to be a regular part of the daily private devotions of the Christian. Meditation will cultivate seriousness in you for life and godliness. The highest seriousness makes the best scholar, and consequently the best Christian. This is a searching and scanning, a deep dive into the things of God. I show you that meditating on godly truth is not something done once and forgotten. It is something done regularly and daily. It places the mind and will under the influence of the Spirit, and it helps them to avoid sin and glorify King Jesus. This work is available right now at Puritan publications in both e-book and printed editions. You can purchase a copy at their website. Many Christians make excuses not to meditate because they think it is difficult. Some neglect it totally, and yet others may have simply never learned to do it rightly. There is a right way and wrong way to meditate or think on these high thoughts of the Lord. I'll tell you this, serious thinking is fundamental to all right doing before Jesus Christ. One cannot be subject to Christ if one does not know or understand the will of Christ. To meditate in a godly manner, then, is to think like a biblical Christian. May you be blessed in your endeavors in this end, for God's glory and your spiritual profit.